LoLoLearning. Unique learning for unique kids. Hey there, awesome chefs! Welcome back to Chef Lili's Magical Kitchen, where cooking is fun, easy, and super delicious. Today, we're making something so yummy, it might just make your bananas go bananas. And guess what? You only need 4 ingredients. Yup, just 4. Even my goldfish could remember this recipe, if he had a better memory. Sorry, Bubbles. But before we start cooking, we have one more very important thing to do, and it's an important pro kid tip. Before we start cooking, we always wash our hands. This is the most important step in cooking. When we wash our hands, it gets rid of all the yucky germs. Because germs make us sick. And when we're sick, we can't play and we can't cook. And that's no fun. So wash your hands till they are nice and sparkly clean. And here is one more. Pro kid tip. Find an adult helper. Whenever you're cooking, make sure to get an adult helper to give you a hand. This is not only a great way to be safe in the kitchen, but it is also a great way to teach adults how to make all the yummy things you really love to eat. So, go grab your adult helper by the hand and offer them a tasty little bite for their help in the kitchen. So, what are we making today? Banana pancakes. Yummy, yummy banana pancakes. Okay, let's get started with our banana pancake party. Remember, we only need 4 ingredients for this recipe. That's it, just 4 ingredients. The first things we need are 2 ripe bananas. The squishier, the better. The next ingredient we need is eggs. Hello, protein power. Now, we need flour for that extra oomph. And lastly, we need some baking powder to make it all fluffy. That's it, just 4 little ingredients. The very first thing we need to do is look at our recipe. Now, let's see exactly what we need for Chef Lili's 4-ingredient banana fun cakes. First, we need 2 ripe bananas. Remember, the squishier the better. Then, 2 eggs. Next, 1/4 cup of flour. And the last ingredient, 2 teaspoons baking powder. That's it! Can you believe it? 4 simple things, and soon we'll have delicious banana pancakes. Now, you also need a bowl to put everything in, a fork to mash the bananas with, and a pan to cook our pancakes in. First, we're gonna mash these bananas until they look like banana soup. So, grab your favorite mashing tool or your trusty fork, and squish, squash, smoosh those bananas. Woo! It's like a banana workout. Who knew making pancakes could be this much fun? Wow! You really are good at this. Look at how you smash those bananas. They are perfect. Nice and mushy, like a banana smoothie. Wow! This is sure looking yummy, don't you think? I can't wait! Then crack in your eggs. Make sure there are no shells. Now, take your time and stir everything together, nice and slow. Now, it's time to sprinkle in our flour and 2 magical teaspoons of baking powder. Poof! And now, we do a little dance as we mix it all together. Just use your fork to mix it up. Just mix it. Mix it real good. Just remember, no pancake batter fights. We're here for fun. Now, it's time to cook these pancakes. But first, remember your pro kid tip, safety first. Make sure you always have an adult helper around to help with the stove. So, with your adult helper next to you, heat up your pan and add a little bit of oil or butter. This makes sure your pancakes don't stick to the pan. Now, carefully pour your banana pancake batter in small circles so they look like mini pancake planets. Next, we let them cook for about 2 minutes on each side. You'll know they're ready to flip when you see little bubbles on top. And now, Flip it like a pro. Whoa! Pancake flip level. Expert. Aha-da! Our banana pancakes are ready to eat. You can top them with anything you like. Berries, honey, peanut butter, or just eat them plain. My favorite? A little drizzle of maple syrup and a sprinkle of magic, also known as chocolate chips. Soft, fluffy, and bananas good. Who knew 4 ingredients could taste this amazing? Thanks for cooking with me today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another kitchen cooking adventure. And if you make these pancakes, make sure to post a comment to let me know how much fun you had. Thank you so much for spending time with me, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye-bye!
Thank you for watching. And always remember, you are loved, you are unique, you are you.